Good morning. This is Greg Kaiser at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Valentine's Day, Thursday, February 14th. The active weather is going to continue today as we wait for the satellite loop to load. Okay, here it is. You can see by the green shading, extensive moisture continues to move in from the south ahead of this upper level low in the Pacific Ocean. We are expecting widespread precipitation once again, although snow levels are going to be elevated starting out around 5,000 feet, and they will increase to about 6,500 feet by early tonight. We have a bit of a break this morning with the precipitation, although you can see extensive precipitation now moving back into southwest Idaho, and that will spread quickly northeast through the day, and then a heavier area in northern California and western Nevada, and that's probably going to bring the heaviest precipitation later this afternoon through early tonight. As I said, it will be much warmer today. Have a frontal system to the north, much warmer conditions in the area. Again, expecting rain. It's generally 5,000 feet and below this morning, and that rain level will get up to about 6,000 feet, even higher this afternoon. Still expecting very heavy mountain snow on the central mountains and eastern highlands through much of the day. Winter storm warnings are still in effect. By tomorrow, the frontal system will move through, so snow levels will again reach down to the valley floors, and we are expecting some accumulations everywhere during the day on Friday with the colder temperatures. And then by Saturday, it is showing snow over all of Idaho, but this will be mainly snow showers, not expecting significant accumulations on Saturday, but much colder conditions and light snow showers everywhere on Saturday. Looking at some of the snow impacts today, again, we have winter storm warnings in the central mountains, and this morning, basically high impacts in the central mountains, some moderate impacts, not quite. The heaviest snow will be later on today in the upper Snake Highlands and eastern highlands, and then pretty much no impacts in the Snake River Plain with rain expected, and rain starting to push into the southern highlands as well as the warmer air moves in. This afternoon, as the heavier precipitation moves in, really high impacts, heavy snow, winds, especially in the upper Snake Highlands and the Island Park area, down through the Wyoming border all the way south into the Bear Lake region, and again, rain most other areas. And those moderate risks are going to be continuing through tonight in the central mountains. And then tomorrow, it looks like a band of snow is going to push even into the Snake River Plain. So expecting impacts everywhere tomorrow with the snowfall. Snow amounts early this morning. Again, the main accumulations in the eastern highlands, 1 to 3 inches. Again, fairly light in the central mountains. After 11 a.m. is when the really heavy snow is going to start to fall again in the central mountains. Could see 2 to 4 inches from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., especially as they go through Galena Summit, Banner Summit, very high amounts. Generally 1 to 2 inches in the upper Snake Eastern Highlands. And then after 5 o'clock tonight, the heaviest snow expected, the 5 to 11 p.m. period. Very heavy snow in the Island Park to Driggs, DuBois, generally 2 to 6 inches widespread in both the eastern highlands and central mountains. Those heaviest snowfall will be over later tonight, just lighter amounts, 11 to 5 a.m., but again, still 2 to 4 inches, very difficult travel with high winds expected. I know already road closures in the eastern highlands, so that's going to continue through the day. And then tomorrow, the next system will bring fairly widespread but lighter snow in the morning in the central mountains, and then could see 1 to 3 inch amounts in the Snake River Plain tomorrow afternoon and evening as that band moves through the Snake Plain into the eastern highlands. And then by Saturday, everything should begin to taper off again. With the snow, we are expecting continued very high winds today, Down in the southern Highlands, again, most of it will be rain there, but expecting 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Some of the mountain passes in the central mountains, 20 to 30-mile-per-hour gusts. And again, some of the eastern Highlands, again, expecting blowing and drifting snow with those 20 to 30-mile-per-hour gusts, which are expected to continue through tonight and even increase with the cold frontal passage. They'll shift more to a southwesterly direction. So again, eastern Highlands blowing snow is expected to be a problem again through most of today as well. Similar situation as yesterday. Very warm today. High temperatures in the 40s in the Snake River Plain, even getting above freezing in many mountain areas, low to mid 30s. We will start to see a cool down Friday behind the front, highs in the mountains in the 20s, mid to upper 30s in the Snake River Plain, and then getting much colder, below normal mid-February temperatures by Saturday. Most areas not even making it to freezing, some highs in the teens in the mountains, so very cold temperatures are expected to return by the weekend. And a quick look at the 1 to 2 week outlook, the last week of February. As you can see, very, very high likelihood of significantly below temperatures. So beginning Friday, looks like we're headed into an extended period of cold weather based on the short-term and long-term forecast through the end of the month. Precipitation, 1 to 2 week period, not trending either above or below normal. So that will conclude the briefing. Again, a very high impact day, heavy snow. I did not mention we do have flash flood warning or watches out, not warnings. We do have watches out for much of the Snake River Plain, some of the lower elevations of the southern highlands, with the potential of getting some heavy rain on top of the snowpack. Again, right now just watches. We'll have to see how the precipitation develops through the day. So that will be another possible impact today. Right now, only watches in effect. So something to keep an eye out on, mainly this afternoon into early tonight. That will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, call us at this number 24 hours a day or go to our website listed here. Thank you.